Today, we will look at how to use variables to handle other variables. Here is a report with 3 variables. If you look closely, you will see that the variables follow a pattern. Part of each variable is constant and the rest is a number that goes up by 1. Let's change the value of variables on the fly so we don't have to write assignments for each one. First of all, I'll declare a variable as a constant. So that is L underscore profile underscore 1. So that this variable is actually nothing but this variable here. Now, to assign a reference of a variable to a field symbol or to a pointer in ABAP, you can do assign and then variable name, which is the name, or you can put a constant or string literal and it should work. So it's clear. So field symbols, let's say LV value, type any, since we can use this field symbol for any variable type. Now here assign to, and then we'll assign to our LV value. Check this if this is assigned before doing anything. And then here let's test with 1, and then we will write this as output. Okay, activate and let's test. There's nothing special. This is just one variable. This should output a value. Okay, that prints 1. So this, we are printing the value of that variable, but the end goal is to actually to assign the value to the variable, not the memory reference. So how about our variable which we started with? Do we have anything in that variable? So let's go and execute. So as you can see, when we assigned a value here, automatically the value is passed to the variable. Now we wrote this program for 1, but what if I have to set a value for all 3? And it's pretty much simple. Now all we have to do is do 3 times, because we have 3 variables, and then we say undo here, and instead here the constant, we'll change that, and we'll take the index, loop index, which is sy index. So now, and then also we can print all 3 here for testing. Save. Now this will not print here at once because we are in the loop. So let's print those outside here and activate. Now this will print value 1 for all. So let's change that too, and we'll take the index. So now each variable will get the index value, which is basically 1, 2, and 3. And let's run now. So we have 1, 2, and 3. That means we were able to set variable values based on this loop. But how about printing them? I have to write each of them. But if I don't want to write, it's this fairly easy. The same thing what we did here, we can just repeat. But instead assigning a value there, we can output the value. You can say write output. And pretty much the rest is same. So here we'll say we are using this for value, and that's it. So save, activate, and run. So now we have only 1, 3. Oh, because we did not change the variable name here. So we have to be consistent across. Activate and run, and we have now 1, 2, and 3. So this is a way where you can use variables to manage variables. Now why would be doing this? For single variable, it doesn't really make any sense. But if you consider structures, complex, deep nested structures, then this really helps us to find a variable or to manage specific structure or specific table. So you will see that in upcoming videos. So that's all for today. Thank you. See you in the next one.